back a fan favorite from Durant's lineup with the KD6 Night Vision, part of the silhouette's first retro wave launching in 2026. This stealthy design draws inspiration from Special Ops night gear, showcasing a black upper-to-mirror covert missions and vivid green accents that reflect night vision goggles. Adding flair, bright mango pops on the visible air unit, while static-style graphics hit the forefoot Swoosh and KD heel logo. Priced at $135 and dropping June 4, this colorway was a standout just before the KD7 era began. Alongside this release, Nike plans to reissue other classics like the Peanut Butter and Jelly and NOLA Gumbo All-Star pairs, further fueling nostalgia for longtime fans. Blending performance history and storytelling, the KD6 Retro series is set to reintroduce bold design and memorable themes to a new generation of hoopers and collectors alike.